Okay, let me upload number 19. 19. This one. Can you see it? All right, let's start with number 19. Okay, find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. Assume that lines which appear tangent are tangent. Okay, so we're given here two chords FC. So these are the chords. This one, FC and GE. Okay, and we need to find this one, angle FDC. So how do we find that? We're given this arc FE, which is 136 degrees, and then arc GC, which is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so when two chords intersect inside a circle, the measure of the angle formed is half the sum of the measure of the intercepted arcs. Is it this, teacher? Okay, so that means the measure of angle FDC is just 1/2 the sum of the two arcs, intercepted arcs, arc FE plus arc GC. So this is just 1/2 times 136 degrees plus 50 degrees. So what is that? 136 is 186 divide 2. Is that 93? So the measure of angle FDC is 92 degrees. Okay, and then for number 20, we're given arc, okay, the intercepted arcs was this, KL is equal to 80 degrees, right? And then arc DM, which is, okay, this is not included, right? The 60 here. So I'll delete that. So we need to find arc DM, and we're given angle KJL, which is equal to 70 degrees. So again, if two chords intersect inside a circle, then the angle formed is just equal to half of the sum of the intercepted arcs. So the angle formed here is angle KJL. So angle KJL is just equal to 1/2 of the sum of arcs DM plus arc KL. So we plug in the values. So angle KJL is 70 degrees equals 1/2 times arc DM plus 80 degrees, right? Then we simplify. We substitute. No, we simplify. We multiply 1/2. So 70 degrees equals 1/2 DM plus 1/2 times 80. Okay, are you following? Then this is 70 degrees equals 1/2 DM equals 40. Plus 40. Then we subtract 40 from both sides. This yellow. So this cancels out. So we have 70 minus 40 is 30 degrees equals 1/2 DM. And then we multiply both sides by 2. So we'll have 30 degrees times 2 equals arc DM. Therefore, arc DM is equal to 60 degrees. Got that? Okay, no questions on this? Then we move on to 21. Okay, 21. Okay, we're given here, this is not included, right? This one, I'm deleting that. This one, not included. Yeah, so it won't be confusing. Okay, so we're given here two chords, intercepted arcs. Okay, let me just define. Arc DC is 52 degrees. Arc FE is 122 degrees. And then we're given angle FGE, which is equal to 9x plus 15. Yeah, so if we have two chords, so angle FGE is just equal to 1/2 times the sum of the two arcs, intercepted arcs. So arc CD or DC plus arc FE or EF. Then this is 9x plus 15. We just plug in everything. 1/2 times what's CD? 52 degrees plus 122 degrees. It says here solve for x. Okay, so we need to solve for x. So this is 9x plus 15 equals 1/2. What is 52 plus 122? Okay, 174. And what is 1/2 times 174? Okay, 87. And then we subtract 15 from both sides. So we're left with 9x equals, what is 87 minus 15? 72. Divide 9. Then x is equal to, what is x? 8. So x is 8. There. Yeah. We did it correctly, right? Then we go to, oh no, we go to number 22. This is number 22. So we're given the intercepted arc. Let us define the intercepted arc. Intercepted arc AS equals 81 degrees. Then the other one is DC. Oh no, let me just write it here on the left so it won't be confusing. So arc AS is equal to 81 degrees. Then arc, what's this? Arc BC. BC is equal to 18x plus 1. Then the angle formed is 14x plus 6. BDC. Right? 14x plus 6. Then the same rule applies. So the angle formed is equal to 1/2 of the sum of the intercepted arc. So this is 14x plus 6 equals 1/2 times 81 plus 18x plus 1. That is 14x plus 6 equals 1/2. 81 plus 1 is 82 plus 18x. Then we simplify This is 14x plus 6. What is 82 divided by 2? 1/2 times 82. Okay, so there is 41. Then what is 18x times 1/2? Okay, so this is 9x. Then we group like terms. 14x minus 9x. So this is 14x minus 9x equals 41 minus 6. So what is that? 14 minus 9 is 5x. Then 41 minus 6 is 35. Then we divide. Can you still see me writing? There's no more space. Yeah, I will move here on top. So we have 5x equals 35. Then we divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 7. Yeah. X is 7. This is number 22, right? Okay. 22. Then we have 23. Can you please clear the board so I can upload 23? No questions on this? Make sure you don't have questions on this. So 23. What's the instruction here? To find the value for x. Okay. Yeah. Find the value of x. So we're given 2 chords, right? Again. So this is the first chord. It is 16. It measures 16 and 27 and 24x. So what are we going to use here? Intersecting chords theorem. Do you have that in your lesson? So we multiply. So we multiply 16 and 27 equals 24 times x. So 16 times 27, this is 432 equals 24x. Is that 432? 27 times 16. Yeah, 432. Then we divide both sides by 24. So x here is equal to, what is 432 divided by 24? 18. So x is equal to 18. Then for number 24, okay, 24, this one. So the same, the chords, then we multiply them. Yeah. So this is 14 times, what happened? 14 times 21, no, times 18 equals 21 times x. What is 18 times 24? For 32, the same. 432, 21x, then you divide both sides by 21. So x is equal to, okay, I don't think that is 14 times 18. 252. I made a mistake again. So this is 252. 252, 21x. Divide 21. So x is equal to 12. Is it 12? 24. Okay. No questions on this? Okay, can you please clear the board so I can upload 25? Now can you see it? We're on 26. 25. Alright? Okay, find the measure of the line segment indicated assume the lines which appear tangent are tangent. So find UW. UW is, okay, this one of the chords, this one. Okay, so we multiply. So that is TB times BV. So that is 14 times 18 equals BW times UB. So that is 12 times 22x minus 1. So we find x first. We find x. What is 14 times 18? Okay, 252 equals, we distribute 12 times 22, that is 264 x minus 12. Then we add 12 to both sides. Add 12. Then we have 264 equals 264. And we divide both sides, so x is equal to 1. So now we have x equals 1. Then we substitute here. 22 times 1 minus 1. So this is 22 minus 1, or 21. So the other part of the chord UW is 21. So that would be 12. Therefore, UW is just 12 plus 21, which is 33. The answer is 33. This is number 25. Okay, then number 26. 26. Find AV. Only this one, part of the chord, AV. Alright. So we have two chords there. We multiply 21 and 3x minus 3 equals 14 times 18. So that is 21 times 3. That is 63. 63x minus 63 equals 252. Then we add 63 to both sides. So this is 63x equals 252. 315 over 63. So x is equal to 5. Right? Therefore, AV is just 3 times x, which is 5, minus 3. So this is 15 minus 3 equals 12. So AV is equal to 12. Okay, got that? No questions? We move on to number 27. Find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. Okay, 27 is this. This is not included, right? I should delete that. No, you don't need to, because 27 and 28 are already here. Huh? No, that's not a central angle. Central angle is here. This one is central angle. That one. That one is exterior angle. So, how do we solve this? Exterior angle, it should be 1/2 of the... okay. So we're given here two arcs. The larger arc, this one, and the minor arc. the major arc and the minor arc. So these are two tangents drawn from, okay, forgot. So these are two tangents, or no, 2 seconds. 2 seconds, this one. Okay. Drawn from a common external point. So this one is our external angle. So to solve this, the measure of angle L, measure of angle L or JLM is equal to 1/2 of the difference. You subtract the minor arc from the larger arc. So that is arc BJ minus arc KM. So this is just 1/2. What is BJ? 165 degrees minus 47 degrees. So what is that? Measure of angle JLM. 165 minus 47. What's your answer? Okay, 118. 1/2 of 118. Yeah, so the angle is 59 degrees for 27. And then for 28, okay, the same. We have 2 seconds, form an external point or external angle. So we need to find this arc, the minor arc. So again, the measure of the external angle, this is angle BDR, is equal to 1/2 times the measure of the major arc, 161 degrees, minus the minor arc, CE. So we're given the angle, which is 55 degrees. This is 1/2 times 61, 161. Okay, 1/2 times 161 degrees minus 1/2 times CE. So we can find CE. Then 55. What is 161 divided by 2? Okay, 80.5 minus 1/2 CE. Then 55 minus 80.5, this is negative 25.5 equals 1/2, negative 1/2 CE. Then you multiply both sides by 2 times 2. So we have 51 equals CE. So arc CE, the minor arc, is equal to 51. Okay, can you please clear the board? Alright. Alright, for number 29, we have tangents, not seconds. So, okay. In this case, we have 2 tangents. So we just have to, this is the same as 2 seconds. The external angle is just equal to 1/2 of the measure of the, what's this? The difference between the major arc and the minor arc. But we're only given 50 degrees, right? We're not given this one, this arc. It should be this arc plus this arc equals the angle. Okay, maybe you meant the central angle and the external angle are supplementary. Maybe. Okay, so that means angle, let's say this is O, angle EOG plus angle EFG is equal to 180 degrees. So that is angle angle EOG is just equal to 180 minus 50. So that is 130 degrees. And the external the central angle and its intercepted arc are just equal. So that means this is 130 degrees. Right? Therefore, arc EG is also equal to 130 degrees. The same with number 30. We have here, we're given the external angle 63 degrees. So that means the central angles, the angle is, okay, angle, let's say this is O, WOU is equal to 180 degrees minus 63 degrees. So what is 180 minus 63? Okay, 117 degrees. So that means this is 117 degrees. If that is 117, so that means the intercepted arc is also 117. But we are asked for this arc WU. So arc WU is equal to 360 degrees minus 117. So what is that? What is 360 minus 117? Yes, so that arc is 243 degrees. Okay, no questions on this? Where is 63? It's given in the problem here. Yeah, angle WVU. Because WOU, this one is central angle. And the central angle, if you have two tangents and it creates an external angle, the measure of that external angle, or the sum of the external angle and the central angle, is equal to 180 degrees, or they are supplementary. Then you got that? You understand that? All right. So the next one, that is secant and yeah. So exterior angle. Oh, what did you say? 2x plus 38 equals 1/2 of the major arc. The major arc is 185 degrees minus the minor arc, which is x plus 109. Or maybe I'll just write it here on the right. So the external angle, which is 2x plus 38. So that is 2x plus 38 is equal to 1/2 of the difference between the major arc. So the major arc here is 185. So 185 minus, what is that? 185 minus x plus 109. So minus x plus 109 So this is just 2x plus 38 equals 1/2 times 185 minus x minus 109. So what is 185 minus 109? Okay, so 1/2 of 76 minus x. So this is 2x plus 38. What is 1/2 of 76? 38 minus 1/2 x. Then we further simplify. This is, okay, 2x minus 38 minus 38, no, plus 38 minus 38 equals negative 1/2 x. So this cancels out. So we have 2x equals 1/2 x. So 2x equals 1/2 x. And negative 1/2, right? Oh, for a while. Let me check first. I think we made a mistake. 2x plus 38 equals 1/2 times 185 minus x minus 109. 185 minus 109. So that's 76. Minus x, 76 divide 2. So that is 38. 38 minus 1/2. Then 2x plus 38 minus 38 is 2x. 2x equals negative 1/2. Wow. So x is, really, it cannot be 0. Okay. I think we're on the right track. So this is negative. So 2x equals negative 1/2 x. So 2x plus 1/2 x is equal to 0, right? And then, of course, when we add that one, 2 and 1/2, 5 halves, x equals 0. X is equal to 0. So x is 0. The question is find the measure of this one. QS, this one. QS, when x is 0, so that means this is 0 plus 109. So QS is 109 degrees. Yeah, because I thought it was the angle. Okay, you got that? Okay, no questions in that? So we have 3 cases. Secant, 2 secants, 2 tangents, 1 secant, and 1 tangent. So you just have to remember the formulas. Can I delete this? The one on the sides. This one. Okay. So we can solve number, what's this? Number 32. This is 32. Okay, we're given here, this one. We're given the external angle 6x minus 12. So 6x minus 12 is equal to 1/2 of the major arc, which is 180 degrees, minus the minor arc, which is 4x plus 12. And then we simplify. So this is 6x minus 12 equals 1/2 times 180 plus 12, that is 192, minus 4x. What is 192 divided by 2? Okay, 96. Then 1/2 times negative 4x is negative 2x. Then we group like terms. This will become 6x. Okay, 6x plus 2x equals 96 plus 12. So this is 4x. 96 plus 12, 108. Divide 4. So we divide by 4. So x is equal to 27. Then we are asked to find the measure of, what's this? Can't find it. Find the measure of angle JKM. Where is angle JKM? Here. Here. 6x minus 12. So 6 times 6x minus 12 is equal to 6 times 27 minus 12. So what is that? 6 times 27 minus 12 is 150 degrees. I think we made a mistake. 109, 30, 32, 30. Okay, we have 6x minus 12 equals 1/2 of 4x. Yeah, 180 minus 4x minus 12. Oh, it should be minus 4x minus 12. So it's not add. Sorry. Oh my gosh. So it should be 180 minus 12. Minus 12. So that is 168. So 168 minus 4x. So 168 divided by 2. So that is 6x minus 12 equals 84 minus 2x. So this is 6x plus 2x, 84 plus 12. Yeah, we made a mistake in that. So this is 8x equals 96. So 96 divide 8. X is equal to 12. Then now we can solve for the angle, which is 6x minus 12. So angle is 6x minus 12. So this is 6 times 12 minus 12. 72 minus 12. The angle is 60 degrees. So this angle here, this one is 60 degrees. Alright? No questions? Am I too fast? Okay, can you please clear the board so I can upload the other ones? Homework. This is your homework.